Now I just want to share with you guys a vision for the Art of Leviwand. It has been a tough road trying to introduce Leviwand as a skill-based prop or an addition to a show or even a circus act. Some people were quick to dismiss Leviwand as a gimmick on a string. Some even called it a lazy prop without regard to the amount of skill, the amount of practice and hard work that it entails just so you can move with this prop. It definitely took a lot of people to develop, to work on it, to add to it, and to introduce it to different industries and communities. Leviwand is gaining traction in the juggling community with its tech and contact styles. Magic community is starting to recognize the flow and the dance aspect of the dancing cane. And even in circus, they considered it now as an act by itself. My vision and goal for Leviwand, and I know a lot of people in the community share this with me, is for Leviwand to be recognized and respected as an art across communities, across industries. I hope that one day I don't have to explain what Leviwand is and what I do. And hopefully, not only are they familiar with Leviwand, but they actually seek out Leviwand artists for their projects and their teams. We know these companies are seeking out jugglers, fire spinners, aerialists, gymnasts, contortionists, hand balancers, and hula hoopers. And hopefully, one day they have a casting call specifically for Leviwand artists. Of course, more than the commercial viability of Leviwand artists in the entertainment industry, this recognition and respect and visibility will allow us to pursue more artistic work. There will be art films, music videos, performance art in galleries, and such. I take the Sear wheel as an example and as an inspiration. Even though they have older roots with the wheel, it has been redeveloped and redefined by Daniel Sear in 1996, and then he introduced it in a circus festival in 2003. And now, less than 2 decades from that, Sear wheel is being taught in circus schools. It's a staple in a lot of shows and productions, and also Sear wheel artists are actually in demand. I think in order for us to do that, we need to be more visible. We need to work on our skills, our styles, our creativity, so that we can be high caliber level one artists. We will produce work that is mesmerizing and entertaining and inspiring. And we will create magic that will leave an impression and make a mark in people. That's it. I hope you share that vision with me. I hope you continue on your Level 1 journey, and I hope to see your unique contribution to this art soon. I believe in you, and I believe that you have magic in you that just can't wait to be shared with the world. So, thank you for sharing your time with me with much happiness and hope. I'm Ehrlich. Till next time.